address the question that I literally get asked every single day, which is, what is the best niche to target? Now, this is a very, very broad question, as the answer to this actually depends on numerous things, such as your experience with affiliate marketing. If you are a total beginner to affiliate marketing, then the best niche is going to be the one that allows you to get results as soon as possible, right? And one that obviously makes a good amount of money. However, if you're a veteran affiliate marketer, you may not be that interested in getting results that quick. You may more be interested in actually generating the most amount of revenue. So your experience with affiliate marketing has a big impact on what you define as best. The second thing that makes it a little bit more difficult to ask is, of course, your marketing skill level. If you are completely new to marketing, then you may find it difficult to go for a niche which someone else may not find difficult who is more experienced. Hopefully that made sense, but pretty much your skill level is going to have a big impact on the amount of niches you can target. So once again, the best niche to target is going to be subjective to your marketing skill level. The third thing is your budget. How much money do you have to invest in your affiliate marketing niche? Can you invest $500, $2,000, or even $5,000? The amount of money you can invest is also going to have a big impact on how long it takes you to get results as well. But going back to the initial point of having a different budget, well, if your budget in total is, let's say, $500, then you could not target the same niches as someone who's got a budget of $5,000. So the niches are going to be different. The best niche for someone with a small budget is going to be different to the best niche for someone with a larger budget. The fourth reason why it's pretty much impossible to answer this question is your income goals and targets are going to be different. For example, you may only want to make $500 a month from affiliate marketing. Someone else may want to make $10,000 a month from affiliate marketing. So the best niche for you and them is going to be completely different. Moving on to the fifth point, which is your definition of the word best. Again, when you say the word best, what does that mean? Is the best niche the one you can rank for the quickest, the one you can make the most money, the one you can flip for the most money, or the one that requires the least amount of time? So hopefully you can see what I'm trying to get across here. It is literally impossible for me to answer the question of what is the best niche, as it's going to vary drastically depending on what your personal goals and preferences are. And please do not send me a message giving answers to all of these 5 things, your experience level, budget, income goals, definition of best, as still that is not the best way to approach this. The way to find the best niche is literally by following the processes that we just ran through in the last videos. I literally ran through the same process and I managed to find a really good niche, which was table saws, whilst recording this course. And all I did was literally follow the same process that you have just seen as well. And what's also really good to note as well is that if someone really does find the best niche, well, guess what? They are going to keep it a secret. They are not going to share that niche with everyone else, as what does that do? It creates more competition for them. So asking that question also does not make that much sense, because in reality, people are just going to send you in the wrong direction. That's why instead of me giving you a list of niches to target, I've taught you how to find the niches. You now understand the core principles and the processes that you need to follow to find the best niche. So I hope that clarifies things and demystifies the whole process, as it is a question I get asked all the time. So hopefully this helps, but in summary, there isn't any shortcut or magic answer. You simply need to follow the process. And when you do find that niche, I recommend that you don't share it with anyone else, as it's just going to create more competition for yourself.